Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jyovis. Once again we have a lot of queries on grey hair, hence in this episode we'll be talking about the solutions for hair. Now we have many questions like, so we're following your Nasya treatment, we're following the external oils, the packs, the internal medicines, and all of it has got a lot of improvements. We see a lot of change, but still we are facing this problem of grey hair, and yes, we are very much stressed about it. So please help us with this, guide us with more solutions for grey hair. So today in this episode we'll be talking about the solutions for grey hair, excessive hair loss, dry hair and brittle hair. Now when it comes to hair, the symptoms like hair thinning, grey hair, dry and brittle hair, all these symptoms, it occurs because of a deficiency of certain nutrients that your hair follicles did not receive, and hence it did not make hair, or it made the wrong type of hair due to a deficiency. Where it had to make black hair, due to a deficiency it made grey hair or white hair. Now suppose you have grey hair. Now it could be a sign that you are vitamin B12 deficient. So firstly you need to get your B12 levels checked, and your doctor will guide you regarding the best supplementation according to your B12 levels. But there are certain essential nutrients that are needed for your hair and for your body as well. First, it's biotin. Biotin is a water-soluble vitamin known as vitamin B7. It falls in the vitamin B category. It is also referred as vitamin H. So around 500 micrograms of biotin you need in a day. You can combine this with vitamin B5, which is pantothenic acid, around 300 mg, and you need zinc, you need vitamin A and vitamin C. These are the essential nutrients you need throughout the day. Suppose you have dry hair or brittle hair, then you need vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, biotin around 500 micrograms, and you need to top this up with omega-3 around 1000 mg. Omega-3, it helps in fixing dry hair, it also helps in fixing itchy and flaky hair. So omega-3 around 1000 mg. Suppose you have excessive hair loss, then firstly you need to increase your iron intake. You need to eat more iron rich foods, like you can eat spinach, you can eat pistachios nut or pista nut. In terms of dry fruits, these have nearly 4 times more iron content than other dry fruits. You can carry them and you can consume them on regular basis. So first, increase your iron intake, and secondly you would need vitamin A and vitamin C. Along with this, you need to increase your zinc intake to around 30 mg and double your biotin intake to 1000 micrograms. These are the nutrients that you would need throughout the day. Now women tend to lose more iron than men because of their menstrual cycles. So firstly, increase your iron intake, or simply you can supplement yourself with iron, or in terms of Ayurveda you can consume a medicine which has loha present in it. There are various medicines like Tapyadi loha, Saptamrut loha, Dhatri loha, Navayas loha, or simply you can consume this syrup loha asif, a beautiful medicine again. So firstly, consult your nearest Ayurvedic doctor, and your doctor will guide you regarding the best medicine as per your body type. Suppose you are a smoker, you smoke regularly and you have hair issues. You need to understand your body loses a lot of vitamin C on a regular basis. So it would be best if you quit smoking, or in case if you are in the process of quitting or you intend to quit it very soon and take good care of your hair, then you would need biotin 500 micrograms, zinc, vitamin A, and since you're losing vitamin C from your body, you need to double your vitamin C to 1000 mg. You can eat more vitamin C foods like this: oranges, kiwi, grapefruit. Best would be eating a dragon fruit on regular basis, or simply you can supplement yourself with vitamin C 1000 mg. Simple enough. If you're a drinker, you drink regularly and have hair issues, then you lose a lot of vitamin B12 and zinc regularly. So you need biotin, vitamin A, vitamin C, and you need to increase your zinc intake to 30 to 50 mg and get your vitamin B12 levels checked, and your doctor will guide you regarding the best supplementation as per your B12 levels. Now this is all about the nutrients, which we gave you an insight from our 2018 hair care video. The whole reason behind hair problems was explained 5,000 years ago in Ayurveda, which is Pitta aggravation. When Pitta gets aggravated, increased in the body, a person faces hair problems. So do not keep yourself acidic. Drink good amounts of water, at least 4 liters of water, 2 liters in the first half and 2 liters in the second half. Oil your hair regularly, at least twice or thrice a week, and avoid using blow dryers or straighteners very, very often. These are some of the tips that you can follow for a month and you will get really good results. Along with this, we've explained you a lot of treatments like Nasya, external oils, external hair packs, internal medicines, which helps in balancing the Pitta dosh and further really helps in hair problems. So make the most out of all these videos. Once again, if you have grey hair at a very early age, at the age of 12, 15, 21, which is present in maximum cases nowadays, you need to understand the pigment cells in your hair follicles starts to die off. The hair loses its melanin and it becomes transparent, which further results in grey hair or white hair. You need to make a change in your diet and lifestyle. Yes, family history plays a very important role. It does matter, but yet following all these remedies, you can always prolong and manage these conditions very effectively. This was all for today's video. In case if you have any doubts or questions, make sure you write them down in the comment section. If this video benefits you, give this video a big thumbs up. Give us your feedback in the comment section. Until next time, from Jyovis, thank you so much for watching.